Hi, everybody. After watching this video, you should be able to analyze how the Electoral College provides for the election of the president. In order to analyze the Electoral College, you should know how it works. So here's how it works. In some sense, when people vote for the president, they are kind of picking electors who will officially pick the president at a later date. Why? Well, it has to do with the Constitution. The Constitution calls for an Electoral College. You want to hear something confusing? The Electoral College is not a real college. Don't apply. They are not taking applications. The Electoral College is not made up of any permanent members. It is not part of the federal bureaucracy. It only exists every 4 years to pick the president. The Electoral College, as you may have guessed, is made up of people called electors. And the electors are chosen by the people from each state. Here's how. First, every state gets the same number of electors as they have representatives in Congress. For Missouri, we have 10 electors because we have 8 representatives and 2 senators. 8 plus 2 equals 10, or at least it did the last time I checked. And so there you have it, we have 10 electors. Where do these people come from? Well, they come from the state political parties. The state Democrats, they will pick 10 strong Democrats, and they hope that their Democratic candidate will win. And if that Democratic candidate does win, those 10 Democrats will go and vote in the Electoral College. The Republicans pick 10 strong Republicans and hope for the Republican victory. And if the Republicans win, then the Republicans get to send their 10 electors. On election day, Missourians will go to the polls and vote for a president. The president who gets the most votes in Missouri will most likely belong to one of the major political parties. And when the votes are counted, the electors from the political party whose candidate received the most votes in a state will get to participate in the Electoral College. In most states, the Electoral College works as a winner-take-all system. That means that whoever wins the most votes gets all of the electoral votes. Here's an example. Let's say that one candidate, let's call him Olaf, wins 1,594,511 votes in Missouri. Another candidate, let's call her Elsa, wins 1,594,510 votes. That's one vote less than Olaf. In Missouri, Olaf would get all 10 electoral votes, even though he only got one more popular vote than Elsa, or Elsa would get 0 electoral votes. Hence the term winner take all. I know, that's cold. So, for the electors whose candidate win, they will meet in their respective state capitals on the Monday after the second Wednesday in December. That's true. That's when they do it. And they will cast their votes for president. So that means that all 10 Missouri electors will meet in Jeff City, the 20 Illinois electors will meet in my hometown, Springfield, and 55 electors in California will meet in Sacramento, so on and so forth. And all of those electors will vote for who they want to be president. For the most part, they will vote along party lines, although there is occasionally a faithless elector. After the electors vote, they will hopefully go on happily with the rest of their lives. Their civic duty is complete, and the Electoral College is no more. Because everyone knows how each elector is going to vote, because they know which candidate won each state, the country is usually 99.9999999% positive which candidate will win the needed 270 votes to become president of the United States. And that is how the Electoral College chooses the president. Here are some questions to help you analyze that. Why might some people think that the system is unfair? Why might some people criticize the system as being undemocratic? Here's a joke. What does a snowman eat for breakfast? Frosted Flakes. If I were a snowman, though, I would eat peanut butter crunch. I guess I don't need to be a snowman to eat peanut butter crunch, though. I mean, I can just be a regular man and eat peanut butter crunch, but I usually just eat yogurt with some fruit and some cinnamon, honey and vanilla for breakfast. It's pretty good. On special days like my birthday, though, I prefer to eat peanut butter crunch. However, I'm not against frosted flakes. I could see myself eating frosted flakes again one day. Thanks for watching.